In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a coupon code in Uber. First, open the Uber app on your smartphone. You will see the app icon on your home screen. Once you tap on the icon, the app will load, displaying the main interface where you can see your ride options. This initial step is essential as it sets the stage for everything else. If you are not already logged in, please enter your credentials to access your account. The screen will welcome you with a clean layout showing your location and nearby drivers. Next, tap on the account icon. This icon is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. It often looks like three horizontal lines or your profile picture depending on your version of the app. This section is crucial because it holds all your personal settings and preferences. Once you tap on the account icon, a menu will appear giving you access to various options. You will feel assured knowing you are in the right place to manage your account settings. From there, tap on Wallet. This option is typically found within the menu that appears after selecting the account icon. The Wallet section is where you can manage your payment methods and promotions. It is vital to navigate here because it allows you to enter your promo code. Once you tap on Wallet, you will see your current payment methods and any existing promotions you may have applied. Now scroll down to Promotions. This section specifically showcases any promotional offers you have and allows you to add new ones. It is important to check this area regularly as it can save you money on rides. Once you reach Promotions, you will see a list of active promo codes and any options to add new ones. This is where the fun begins. Next up, tap on Add Promo Code. This button is usually positioned prominently within the Promotions section. Tapping this will take you to a new screen where you can enter your new promo code. This step is crucial because it allows you to unlock your discounts and savings. Once you tap the button, you will see a text box appear, ready for your input. After that, enter your promo code without spaces. Be sure to type it exactly as it appears, including any uppercase letters. This step is important because entering the code incorrectly can lead to it not being accepted. Once you have entered the code, double-check it to ensure accuracy. This verification helps avoid any issues later on. Once you have entered the code, tap Add. This action will initiate the process of applying your promo code to your account. If successful, you will see a confirmation appear on your screen. This confirmation is reassuring as it confirms that your promo code has been accepted and is now linked to your account. The promo will be applied automatically to your next eligible ride. This means you can enjoy your discount without needing to do anything else. Be aware that promo codes must be added before you request a ride. This is a crucial detail to remember, as it cannot be applied afterward. Additionally, only one promo code can be applied per trip, ensuring that the most valuable eligible promotion is used automatically. Finally, keep in mind that some promotions may be limited by expiration date, location, payment method, or rider eligibility. Understanding these limitations will help you maximize your savings. With everything done, you are now ready to enjoy your Uber rides at a discounted rate. Happy riding!